Good morning, Standard 7. I am going to continue chapter 3, element, compounds and mixture, dear student. In this video, I am going to explain you about the compound and its characteristic. So let us know about how to define compound, how compounds are being formed. Compounds are pure substance which are formed by chemical combination of two or more elements in a fixed ratio by mass. So dear student, this is the definition of compound. Compounds are pure substance, dear student. Compound are pure substance which are formed by chemical combination of two or more elements in a fixed ratio by mass. Let us understand with the help of examples about the formation of compound. Hydrogen combined with oxygen and water is being formed. So dear student, you can see here water hydrogen combined with oxygen and there is a formation of a compound known as a water. Let us understand. You see here in a compound the number of the hydrogen is 4 and oxygen is 2. It means the ratio is 2:1. Means hydrogen will combine with one oxygen and form water, dear student. This is the ratio 2:1. This is the ratio 2:1. Means 2 hydrogen will combine with one oxygen and there is formation of water, dear student. Let us understand by few more examples. Carbon combined with oxygen and there is formation of carbon dioxide. Means you can see here one carbon combined with two oxygen atom and there is a formation of carbon dioxide, dear student. So compounds are pure substance which are formed by the chemical combination, by the chemical reaction. By the chemical reaction there is a formation of the compound in a fixed ratio. Ratio is fixed. As you see here, water is being formed in fixed ratio, that is 2:1, dear student. And then only the compound can be formed. Next I am going to explain you The properties of compound are entirely different from those of their constituents. So dear student, first property, the property of the compound are entirely different from those of their constituent. You can see here hydrogen and oxygen both are in gaseous form. Both are in gaseous form, but when the compound is formed, it is in the liquid form, dear student. So the property of the compounds are entirely different from those of their constituent. Second, compounds can be broken down into the constituent by chemical process. Chemical process. Not by physical process. So dear students, compound can be broken down. Compound can be broken down to their constituent. Again, they can be separated only by the chemical process. Yes, only by the chemical process, not by the physical process. Let us understand. Water. Water can be decomposed into hydrogen and oxygen by the process known as electrolysis. Electrolysis, yes. Electrolysis is the process by which water is being broken down into their constituent hydrogen and oxygen. But compound can't be broken down by the physical process test. Third, compounds have fixed chemical composition. Fourth, energy is during the formation of the compound. You can see here water can be broken down into their constituent hydrogen and oxygen only by supplying the electricity energy. Means electricity introduced to break the water into hydrogen and oxygen, dear student. Compounds are represented by chemical formula. Compounds are represented by chemical formula. You can see here carbon dioxide, water, sulfur dioxide, and many different compounds are represented by the chemical formula, dear student. So, please you learn the definition of compounds and also about their characteristic. Thank you, dear students.